Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video, we will discuss about Mellow Ads and how you can make money with this paying advertising network, which is based on Bitcoin. We will discuss about how it works, some pros but also some cons, and many more important subjects about Mellow Ads. If you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. First of all, what is Mellow Ads? Well, Mellow Ads is a Bitcoin advertising network. This network helps to monetize web traffic with CPM, CPC, and the network campaign methods with banner and pop under ads format in Bitcoins and with low fees. How it works? Members have to join this network as either advertiser or publisher. All websites have to be approved manually by Mellow Ads team. Everything is checked for appliances with moral and ethical norms of society. Once accepted, they are open for advertisements. All adverts are placed in graphical and text formats. Management setup and ongoing is free for both publishers and advertisers. Both publishers and advertisers can decide the specific number of unique banner views or pop ads. Geo-targeting feature is also available to help both. Network charges no fees for CPM or CPC methods. Advertisers can build their own adverts with full control and choose any website to buy ads. Publishers can set their own CPC or CPC rate and receive the 100% of campaigning amount from the advertisers. Mellow Ads have its own network of sites for campaigns, which it claims 250 plus million impressions per day. Publishers can prove their website to advertisers. Campaigns rate in this method starts with 0.00001 BTC per day or 0.001 BTC CPM or CPC. Network charge fees in this campaign, but this is only 10% of the advertisement cost, and the rest goes to publishers. Some pros about Mellow Ads. Well, Mellow Ads allows their old publishers to use its service adverts with any other advertising network, so you can use multiple advertising networks with Mellow Ads. This is a Bitcoin ad network. This helps users to have and to use ad solutions in cryptocurrency. Some cons about Mellow Ads. Website and their support is available only in English. Non-English sites are not accepted there. There is no answer to any question in their FAQ. The FAQ links in the sites do not work. There is hardly any restriction, so everything depends on advertisers' honesty. There are reports that many publishers get malicious websites in advertisements. Some restrictions about Mellow Ads. There is no special restriction in their terms, but this network is not governed by any law, nor there is no court of jurisdiction. The network reserves the right to terminate or suspend any account without notice, without liability for any reason, and users have no right over this. Unsatisfied users also have no say in this. They just have to stop using this network. So actually, this is also a big con. The payments, Bitcoin is the way to advertise and earn. So Bitcoin wallet is the only way to use this network. There is no minimum withdrawal limit. Advertisers and publishers make all decision, and in case of network campaigns, the network itself pays the publishers. So guys, now let's take a look on their website here. As you can see, it's pretty simple. They have this front page, which says they have over 8.2 million banner and pop-under impressions served in the last 30 days. They also have the lowest fees. They claim to have the lowest fees, only 10% for a network campaign, and 0% for direct campaigns. So if you want to enter Mellow Ads, just click here. Just have to add your email address and log in. If you want to browse some banners, just click here, and he will have a lot of them. As you can see, you can register. You can browse pop-under networks. And they also, you can also claim from their faucet. You can claim 100 to 1000 Satoshi every day. So guys, if you want to learn more about Mellow Ads, about this advertising network, you can go ahead and check their website right here. And if you still have any questions, any comments, you can comment in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful, and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one, so you can turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day many ways on how to make money online. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.